welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry I haven't posted in a while. I've been a bit busy. So today, I am making pancakes. So I'm going to show you the ingredients. So first you need sugar, self-raising flour, and here I have 2 whisked eggs, and you want to whisk them until, can you see these frothy bubbles? Until you get those. So just whisk it until you get the bubbles. You also need some milk, and I'm going to show you at the next station, but I still have a couple more. So over here I have butter, a chopping board, and I'm gonna cut my butter, a plate to put your pancakes on, and a board. And you're also gonna need a spoon and a container for it, and you'll also need a knife too, and you'll also need how much is this then?
A cup.
1 cup to measure everything. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what the batter will do and stuff like that, so bye. Okay, so my dad just put in 2 cups of milk. Hold on, 2 cups of milk, 1 sugar, and 2 cups of self-raising flour. So, and he put it in a bowl to mix it. So I'm gonna mix it, and he hasn't put in the eggs yet because I'll do that after I mix this a bit more. So, thanks, Dad. I'm just gonna add in the eggs now. So the frothed up eggs, you make sure that you have the frothy bit at the top. And I'm gonna pour it in slowly while I mix. So just a bit at a time. Gonna add the rest of it in. Mix. It should be a bit runny but a bit thick still. And just saying, you use your measurements properly if you're making it my way, because last time I did it I didn't do the measurements properly, and the batter was really thick. It didn't really mix a lot. So yeah, it was really thick. And if you're making this and this is what your batter looks like, that's what it's supposed to look like. So yeah, so I'm gonna pause the video right now. I'll wait for the pan to heat. I'll cut some butter and I'll get to you in a minute. Bye. Okay guys, I'm just gonna stick a bit of butter on my knife, and in my pan it's just heating up. And what you want to do is just like take your knife and wiggle around the butter. But if you don't really want to do that, then just move your pan around so the butter will go around. And make sure with this bit, because there is fire, make sure that you have an adult supervising you. My dad is behind camera. By the way, so see that butter is going. And I'm just going to use a little cup. You don't really have to use a big one. And you just want to grab some butter, about 1 of them, and pour them in. Just like that. And you want to wait until it's cooked, and then you'll flip it. So my dad's going to turn off the thing until these get cooked, and I'm going to flip it, so yeah. Okay guys, I'm back, and once you see those bubbles, popping up and you see the bubbles on the outside, that means that it's good to flip. So I'm gonna flip this one. So that's what it should look like. So my dad's gonna turn off the camera and I'll flip the rest of these and then I'll put them on the plate and show you guys what it looks like when you're finished. Hi guys, I just noticed that they're finished. So I'm gonna flip them on the, well, not flip them, just put them on the, oopsies. Put them on the plate. And now I'm just gonna put some butter on it and then we'll go to the table and we'll try it. Bye. Alright guys, this is what it should look like. Let's give it a taste test. Move the butter in the middle, the edge, put it in here. Let's try it. That's really good. And you can have butter, you can have sugar, you can have anything you want on these. Thank you for watching my video. Please give my video a big like and then subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post. Bye!